You want it, you got it. What's up guys, we are just 48 hours away from the official Unpacked event and the good news just keep on rolling. Samsung can't stop posting image samples from its Galaxy S22 Ultra. We have more images to review, but before we do that, the big moment in history is here. Samsung has finally listened to the fans from one of the biggest markets out there, India. Yes, it's 100% confirmed that the Galaxy S22 series in India will come with Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor. For years, Indian fans had to accept their fate and buy the Exynos based flagships, but now they're finally getting the cream of the crop, the best of the best, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1. Even though the Exynos 2200 is looking promising this time around, but Indian fans, they have faced disappointment so many times and now they deserve the absolute best. There's no doubt that Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 has a powerful GPU as well as a powerful CPU compared to the Exynos 2200. The only question is which chip will be able to sustain their performance in terms of long-term usage. I can't wait to see which one has better thermal performance, but for now, Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 is superior and it's coming to India. Now coming back to the possible Galaxy S22 Ultra image samples, this time around for the first time we have daylight shots and I gotta say, once again, incredible detail and incredible colors. Let me know what you think about these image samples in the comment section below. Also, we have good news for the Galaxy Note users. If you upgrade to the S22 Ultra, you will receive a brand new 45-watt charger absolutely free. We also have pricing leaks for the Vietnamese market, and looking at these numbers you can tell that the pricing is indeed similar to last year's model, starting with the $799 for the base Galaxy S22 and maxing out at $1,400 almost. Again, some selected markets will get the 1TB variant and that could be around $1,500. Now, even though we don't have the under-display camera on the Galaxy S22 series, Samsung is still pushing the boundaries of their infinity display to the maximum level. The Galaxy S22 officially has the slimmest chin on any Galaxy smartphone ever and noticeably smaller than the last year's S21 series. Now, lastly, Samsung has done a pretty incredible thing for the planet. According to Samsung.com, the upcoming Galaxy S22 series and Samsung's upcoming products will use ocean-bound discarded fishing nets. Fishing nets are a huge problem. They are trapping and entangling marine life, so Samsung is doing a pretty incredible thing for the planet. Apparently, the recycled plastic from this will be used in the packaging for the upcoming Galaxy products as well as in the making of accessories and chargers. Considering the million smartphones that Samsung ship every year, this will have a pretty positive environmental impact. So that's all of this news, a big happy news for the Indian consumers. Make sure you subscribe for all the S22 series coverage. Let me know what you think in the comments below. With that being said, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.